What is going on, guys? This is our pre-calculus program. Pre-calculus graphical interactive program. Demonstrate it real quick. This is what I mean. You can just write it down the equation down sloppily on a chalkboard, or just write it down on a chalkboard like this, and then press enter. Boom! Pre-calculus. You could do pre-calculus and stuff. That's the idea. We just hard coded the answer in, sorta. It actually senses it though, and it prints the right answer. But it works because it's simple. Getting all variants of one, getting all variants of the plus sign in a video. If it were just going like a lava lamp, moving around like a lava lamp, dynamically like a lava lamp with the different variants of the plus sign, it would only take a few minutes to get all variants. That idea, with all numbers and all letters, we came up with a pre-calculus program where you could just write it down on a chalk. It senses what you're writing on a chalkboard, and then it prints the answer magically. That's why I said our program is meant to be upgraded, improved, expanded, developed, and modified. Pause the video and copy down the code. This is a Python project for beginner and advanced alike. Python coding. It's hardware ready. Pre-calculus program. I explained the idea. It would be easy to sense what you're writing on the board, basically. So you could just make it give the answer, code it to give the answer, all the right answers. It could be a math program. Very good. Alright, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.